So welcome back traders to another exciting live stream. Today we are going to be analyzing gold. Yesterday we did a pre-analysis. We said that we drew out our trend line like this. We expected price to pull back to retest this level because remember the trend was trading up, price was trading above the trend line, and as soon as price broke below the trend line here by this strong bearish candle, we expect price to pull back and retest this level so that we can keep selling the market. But price still break back into the trend line, into the structure. So the trend is still up. We are still looking for buys. The trend is still up. Remember, we're still trading with the trend, but we expected price to respect this level because this is the market structure. This is how the trend moves. So it's not like we are trading. It's not like we are trading against the trend. We're trading with the trend because the price broke below by this candle. We expected price to retest and continue down because that's how the structure works, but price did not do that. Instead, price broke above and continue bullish. So we are going to clear out our charts and still start our analysis. All right, so we are going to start a new analysis. So we are going to isolate this last level that price broke out of. You can see after the break, by this candle, price pulled back for a retest. So let's scale down and to see the retest. So let's scale down to the 1 hour to see the behavior of the candle around that level. So let's scale down to the 1 hour so that I can understand this. Our network is a bit slow, so you can see after the break of this level by this strong candle, price came back for a retest. This weak rejection here was the retest, and after the retest, price is still bullish. So to be able to keep buying this market, we need price to pull back again. We need price to pull back again to the retest level, and this is where we'll take the buy so that we can have a more smaller and safer stop loss placement below the retest level, something like this. This is where our stop loss is going to be because remember the overall trend is bullish. We are only looking for buys. So we'll buy here, wait for the pullback to happen so that I can buy here, stop loss below. So this is how your trade should look like. We wait for the pullback to happen. This is where we need to be taking the buys. Stop loss below for a continuation up. So this is the analysis for gold. The trend is bullish. We are only looking for buying opportunity. So let's make an analysis for pound JPY. Between pound JPY. So the first thing you want to do when you come to your chart, remember we'll start our analysis using the higher time frame, which will be the 4-hour time frame. So we'll draw out our trend line. You can see price was trading below the trend line for a very long time. Suddenly price broke above the trend line by this strong bullish candle. Let's scale down to the 1 hour so that you can see the break clearly. Can see this was the candle that broke out of that trend line. So let's mark out that level that was broken. We're going to mark out the level like this after the break. After the break, you can see that price pull back to retest the level, which is this level here. So this becomes our retest level. Whenever price break out of a trend line, price always pull back to retest that level before going in that direction. So this is where you need to wait for the deep pullback so that you can have a more smaller and safer stop loss placement below. So take your buys here, stop loss below for a continuation up. This is how your trade should look like. You buy here, stop loss below for a continuation up, something like this.
I know it would be good by my love. could, I know it would be goodbye, my love.